Good morning. How you doing? It's been a while since I posted anything. Been kind of busy working on some implementations, but wanted to go through a process that I had to learn how to do. Thought it might be helpful to you guys as well. And that is being able to load pricing information via a spreadsheet. The first thing you're going to want to do is download and install the ADF desktop integration. I've put in the PowerPoint below steps on how you can do that. But assuming that that's already been loaded, and that's the same integration that you'll need to do any kind of spreadsheet uploads and downloads in the system, whether it's in accounting or wherever. So once that's loaded on your system, we're going to go into pricing administration and we're going to download the workbook. I like to download the workbook, download what's in the system to kind of give myself an idea of what's happening. So we'll go into manage price list, actions, download spreadsheet, data. And it's going to bring up the spreadsheet and it's going to ask you to log in. So we'll go ahead and log in. SCN, info in our case, and the password. We'll open this up. I think I hit it twice. So anyway, so this is the spreadsheet. You'll notice there's several tabs down here. Also, when you download the ADFI installer, it creates this this add-in into Excel that's going to help you go through this process. So the first thing I like to do if I'm dealing with this is I'm going to download and see how the system outlines this template. So we'll go ahead and do a search. And I'm just going to simply put in here a business unit. You could put in a price list. If you know the name of your price list, you can do a specific item. It's got a lot of different options here. And then click OK. So it's going to go out there and download what it knows in the system. And so this is a great way to understand how to lay out your template. What is it looking for? What does it want to see? So in this case, over to the right, in this column, you're going to see a key. That key is important. And so if I'm going to add items into these kinds of spreadsheets, I'll actually just do an alt insert rows, because that way I know it's going to work. If you go to the bottom of it and start adding from the bottom, it tends to error out. But if you insert a row into the middle of it, it seems to work better. Also, as you make changes, a change symbol is going to pop up so you know which lines you changed. You may not know what you changed in the line if you don't remember, but at least you know the lines have changed. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those lines. I don't want to add any lines here. But I'm just going to change some prices. So these first three items, 4, 6, 3, 3, 4, 5, and 6, I'm just going to change the price, kind of show you how it works. So we'll do 350, 360, and 370 as an example. And as I make those changes, also my change symbol comes in. I mean, you could have done just a simple end date. You can add different start dates. Remember that pricing is date sensitive, etc. And so real simply, once you've made all your changes and laid it in here, you're going to want to go up here to create or update. And when you do that, it's going to upload those changes. Now, if there's any errors or issues, you'll more than likely see them here in the status column. They'll come up and tell you there's a problem or whatever. I don't know if you noticed it when I did the upload. I'll make a quick change here and kind of show you again. Watch this status column after I click upload. See, it says it was uploaded successfully. This particular spreadsheet, when it completes, it gets rid of that status. But if there's errors, they'll pop up there. So once the spreadsheet is uploaded, the next thing I like to do is actually go into my price lists and find out, make sure they were fixed. So the last numbers we put here were 300, 325, 350 on 46334. So we'll go take a look. So we're going to search on that. Go to our corporate price segment because that's the price book we were working with. And we're going to put in AS 46334. Is that right? Just to verify. Yep. And do a search. And you can see that my price came in at $300, which is the price that we had over here on the spreadsheet. So not a difficult process, pretty easy to pull off. We'll save and close that. So thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. And as always, the PowerPoint will be down in the comments. Thank you.